Welcome back, Bishop Traders on YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. And any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So looking at a bigger view here on S&P, we do got some resistance areas right between these 37.02 to as high as about 37.3225. I do anticipate the market trying to come back up right between 25 to 32. So right at the top of this purple zone we have here is where I'm anticipating the market to come to. And if we get above that, next levels above 37.50, 150 to about 37.94, that's going to be a pretty wide zone there of resistance. And now moving down into the 60-minute chart, go over some of the things that we're starting to see here. So zooming in, 60-minute chart, kind of the same scenario here, looking for this to come up right between those 25 to 32s. As it gradually climbs, we'll be patient to see if we can get up into that area, and as we do, we may look for a nice rejection here, maybe a double top here, and then pushing right back down. Now I do got a little bit of a green zone right up underneath this purple zone, which is going to be right between these 37.02s to about 36.9950. Now this is the area that if the market does end up pulling back, we're going to look for this market to come right back into this area and then reject off. It should be somewhere down here, and then if it bounces from this area, we're going to be looking for a nice upside move here from that area. So let's try to do a different arrow here. So pulling down into this area and then pushing back up. That would be a nice bounce to continue our way back to the upside if we don't just kind of go from where we are right now. But if we hold this area of support here right between these 99s to about 37.02, we're going to be looking for a nice bounce and continuation of the support. Now if not, we're going to be looking for this to break and then dip a little bit lower. Which means once we break these 36.99s, we're going to be looking for that to break down, come back, and then push lower into the support down below 82 to about 86 is the next area. So let's go or zoom into this as we're watching this here. Zoom in into this area here. You can see the market still trying to continue back up. Again, we are looking for this to try to extend right into this green line here, 37.25.50, and pressing through that will get us to the top of these 32s. Again, this is going to be some pretty strong resistance here, so if we do fail to get through, we're going to be looking for that nice double top and a push right back down. But you can see as we zoom in here on this 15-minute chart, markets could end up coming back down here, bouncing and then continuing from there. But again, if we break here, we're going to look for a nice pullback, rejection, and continuation down. From here, if we continue to break this, we're going to be seeing this further down underneath, getting into our support areas here as well. So we'll keep that in mind as we go through the London session and maybe potentially into the US session. But again, even as you break this down into the smaller chart, you can kind of see on the smaller view, may get some rotations here if we ever get a pullback, but again, if we do that, pull down and then push back is what we're going to be looking for. So as of right now though, we're trying to break this top. You can see we had a little bit of resistance here right around these 18 to 17s. So may end up getting that resistance again or just breaking up through. So I'd love to see it break through and continue up higher into those 25.50s. And again, once we get through this area, this is where we're going to be looking for that nice opportunity to short down. So that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500 though. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. You guys take care. Have a great night.